Hello guys! Good day! I am LJ Dominguez, a first year BSMLS student, and for today's video, I am going to share with you on how I do the cigarette smoking bottle experiment. And for the personal protective equipment, I have a face mask, gloves, and the love gun. So here's my face mask. My gloves. And the love gun. Look at me, I am beautiful when I am wearing a love gun. Sure is. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you some of the responses I got from my cousins and friends when I asked them about cigarettes. So, let's go? Let's go guys! Before we start our experiment, I'm gonna show with you some of our materials that I used for this experiment.
I have this kind of tape, cigarettes, plastic bottles, cotton, scissor, cutter, and match.
Let's go!
The first step I took in this experiment was to use a cutter and a scissor to make a hole in the cup of a plastic bottle. I perforated it to make it easier to place the cigarettes. After making a hole in the plastic bottle's cup, I made a hole in the bottom as well. It will be used to remove the water from the inside of the plastic bottle. When I finished making the hole, I inserted the cigarettes into the hole of the cup and placed a piece of tape at the bottom of the plastic bottles. This will act as the barrier to prevent the water from pouring out instantly. I had 3 plastic bottles, so I punched 2 holes in each of them, one for the cup and one for the bottom. For the first bottle, I filled it with about 1/4 volume of water. I put some cotton in the bottle and closed it with its cup that has a cigarette. As I light up the cigarette, I remove the tape that I put on the bottom of the plastic bottle. This is to let the water out of the bottle. You will notice the smoke that will fill the entire plastic bottle. As it finishes draining the water, I open the bottle and get the cotton out of the plastic bottle. For the second bottle, I will repeat what I did for the first bottle. But the difference is that the second bottle will be filled with half the volume of water. The procedure is the same as it was on the first one. And for the third and last bottle, I filled the plastic bottle with almost the full volume of water. The procedure is the same as what I did in the first and second bottles. The difference here is that the last bottle was filled with almost full volume of water. The result of this experiment is different from others. And this is the result of the experiment. The first bottle that is filled with 1/4 volume of water has a lighter effect on the cotton than the second bottle, which is filled with the half of the volume of water. And the last bottle has a darker result on the cotton than the first two bottles. In this experiment, I also observed that when I squeeze the bottle lightly, the more smoke will be filled inside the bottle and the cotton will get darker. For me, this experiment demonstrates that the more cigarettes you use, the more your lungs will be affected. Before this video ends, I'm going to share some of the responses I received from my cousins and friends when I asked them about these questions.
Hello guys, and I'm done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.